Good afternoon from Sevierville, Tennessee. It's Ryan.
And Brie.
We are doing our 12th coaster out of 12. The Wild Stallion Mountain Coaster here at Skyland Ranch. We've got a ranking that's in existence right now. We're gonna see where this one ranks against the other 11 coasters that we've done. We've done this one. It's a really good ride.
Yeah, we really enjoy this one, but now that we've ridden all 12, we'll be able to see where it ranks amongst the 12.
We've got some showdown type music playing in the background. I feel like it's me versus coaster number 12. I feel like I can now be able to say I've done every coaster in the area.
Yeah.
And have, some thoughts about each one, or this one versus that one. So I'm excited to finish up with this last coaster. We're almost there. Like I said, really fun ride, and I heard it might be just a little faster than normal. Well, I don't know. We'll see. So let's hop on the Wild Stallion Mountain Coaster to show you what it's like.
All right,
Let's go.
do it.
So now that we parked for free at Skyland Ranch here in Sevierville, Tennessee, not too far from the Walmart, we got our wristbands to ride on the Wild Stallion Mountain Coaster. So we're gonna get into this line, which isn't much of a line right now. It's slow, but again, on holidays or busy times, you might have to wait a little bit longer than we are in this video. All right, we're good to go. All right, I'll show you how you get onto the mountain coaster here.
Almost. Sorry, got distracted.
Are you familiar with how to ride today, ma'am?
Yes, I am.
All right, when you go uphill, you don't touch it, okay? It's designed that way for you to enjoy the view. Once you top the hill, it's gonna be down to go, back to slow. Do not bump, do not stop, okay?
Okay.
It's your responsibility not to hit nobody and secure all your loose articles.
Okay.
Any questions?
No question.
No slow poking, chicken noodle.
All right, we'll see you at the bottom.
Bye.
Have fun, buddy.
Thank you.
Sir.
Here we go for a ride on the Wild Stallion Mountain Coaster here at Skyland Ranch. One of the longest in the southeast. And once we get onto here, I can let go and just enjoy the nice, relaxing ride. They got some of their animals over here to the right. You can see a bunch of different goats. See some people coming down on the left here as we're working up. I think my favorite part of the ride, coming around this bend up here. Along with their mountain coaster, they have a safari hayride that you can do here at Skyland Ranch. And they also have a chairlift. It's not working right now at the time of recording as they're rebuilding up top. They unfortunately had a pretty devastating fire. But it does say that it is an 8+ minute ride. And it is, on one site, I saw it listed as 6,600 feet. So over 1.25 miles of trek that we'll be riding as we go under the chairlift that's not operating. Starting to get a fantastic view on the left here. Oh, really nice view. Oh yeah. We're almost up to the top. They also have the tallest swing, like tower swing in Tennessee, straight ahead. So there's a lot more to do than just this coaster, but let's give this thing a try. Let's see how fast we can go. Again, great view up at the top here. Beautiful. All right, let's put it down and go for it. Here we go. Whoa, under the bridge. Oh, through the tunnel. Oh, whoa. Oh, under another bridge. Oh, great view. Oh, 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 whoa. There we go. Good drop. Whoa! 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 Oh. Oh, that was great. Whew. Now we're coming to our second lift on this ride. Should have 2 total. Oh, that was fun. Pretty smooth. I like that. You can see Brie up ahead. She's taking off at the top. So we're gonna work our way up this last section of lift and see what she thinks once we get down to the bottom. Get a pretty good view of Sevierville from here. You can see the Tanger Outlet Mall across the street. This is great. It's a beautiful day. Hope you guys are enjoying going for a ride on the Wild Stallion. Definitely have some height right here. If you're a little nervous about heights, you're up pretty good right about in this section. But before you know it, you're up to the top. So just close your eyes or look forward and you're there if you're a little nervous about heights. All right, let's see how fast we can move along. Oh boy. Oh, whoa. Oh. Weaving in and out like a snake up here. Whoa. There we go. This is my favorite part right here. This drop right after this tree. Whee! Oh, there's a little, gopher, I think. Oh, that was awesome. Last little bend around. I can see Brie. And slow down. Oh, got it. Oh, that was fun. Yeah, I haven't been on this one in a while. Oh, it was great.
Great. Hey, we were debating if you're gonna say awesome.
Awesome or great?
Yeah, because she said fantastic.
Oh, okay.
I was like, man, he said great.
He said awesome or
Yeah, awesome and fantastic are like right up there.
Yeah, I've chickened out on riding this thing the last few times. It's good to ride it.
that's right.
Yeah.
You can go ahead and buckle and step to your right.
That was a lot of fun. And as we're exiting, before we head into the gift shop, I did want to show you this. I thought it was pretty cool. They have a little, how can we pray for you? And some little pieces of paper so you can write any prayer request and put it in their box. That's pretty
really
cool.
Yeah.
You can also come back over and re-ride it for $10 as you're exiting their gift shop with some candy. And they have some different t-shirts and some stuffed animals. They have some of the cutest little miniature animals here at Skyland Ranch. We're checking out our photos in the gift shop.
And I also have you with the Wild Stallion.
Oh, nice.
There's Brie with the Wild Stallion.
Love it, love it.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
So much like Rowdy Bear, they have a similar photo system here.
Okay.
We're already trying to figure out, where do we place this in the rankings?
This has gotten really, really hard.
Yes, as we have gotten to 12 coasters that we've done now,
Yes.
they've all been so good. It's not like they're terrible, and it's hard to now look at it and go, do I put this one above that one? And we definitely have some decisions to make here. I'm still processing where I want to place this. This is a very hard decision. So before we do though, what'd you think of this one?
I forgot how great the views are on this. You get such long panoramic views when you ride this coaster.
Yes.
It is fast. It is thrilling. It is smooth. I was able to keep it open and go full speed the entire time. I didn't feel like it was shaky. I didn't feel like I was going to fall off, and it was just fun and thrilling. What did you think?
Yeah, same to me as far as fantastic views, especially when you get up to that very first peak. I slowed down when I was there because I know, he was given a little space behind me so I could just show that view, which is just phenomenal. You just see a landscape off in the distance. We've done some mountain coasters where you're kind of like tucked in the woods and you get like a little peak at some point. But here, I mean, it's just a vast view of the Smoky Mountains once you're up at the top. And likewise, you can go as fast as you want. You can control the speed. So I was able to just not do the brakes as much as possible, and you can really get some speed on this thing. It's fast and it's fun.
It is fun. Really, really fun.
Indeed. But where do we rank this one? We've got a little trophy here. It says best mountain coaster in the Smokies
2026.
2026. Right now, here are our rankings. Coming in at number 1, Lost Mine. Number 2, Pigeon Forge Racing Coaster. The smoke at the end of that one, it got me. That was really cool. It's fun to race side by side. And then number 3, what do we have number 3? Hold on, I gotta check the list. You can see the list, but I can't remember it. Rocky Top.
Rocky Top.
Which is a sister coaster of Wild Stallion here. And Moonshine, Smoky Mountain Alpine. These are the top 5 at the moment. You got a number?
I got a number.
You got a number? I still got to think about it.
Okay.
I really like the theming in Lost Mine. Fantastic theming with all the bears, the honey. You got 4 ups and downs. It's not a bad ride. It's a fantastic ride, and this is just different. It's got 2 lifts and 2 longer durations.
I love Lost Mine too. I love the theming. I love the ride. You get a couple really nice views of the mountains. Theming, definitely.
Yeah, okay, all right.
Yeah.
All right, let's not delay any longer. I've got a number in my brain. Yeah, I got one. Okay, I think I know where I want to go with this one.
Okay.
You got one?
I do.
Okay, let's see if we agree and have the same ranking for the Wild Stallion Mountain Coaster here in Sevierville, Tennessee. Tell me your number 1 through 12 of this coaster in 3, 2, 1. 1.
Yay! We agree.
Oh, it's such a fun ride.
It is.
Oh.
It is. It is the most fun ride, obviously, as we're ranking it number 1.
Yes.
You have fantastic views. It's so smooth. It's so fast. It's just all around number 1 coaster in the Smokies.
Honestly, it was a very difficult decision. There are some fantastic other coasters on our list that we've done. This was number 12 of 12. So if you haven't watched any of the other coasters, it's not to say that they're bad. We just had to subjectively pick what did we enjoy the most. And again, we enjoyed a lot of them.
Yes, we did.
There's some great options. You know, if you're on this side of town, this is a great option. You might find that you're just staying at a hotel in Gatlinburg, and maybe you can watch some of our earlier videos in Gatlinburg and figure out which one you want to walk to or take their free trolley to. But if you're not constrained with location, or you could do a couple of them, I would definitely add this one to the list. And check out our other number 2, 3, 4, 5th ranked.
Do them all.
Yeah. So we did them all, and I'm so excited to have done them all.
Yes.
Honestly, on day 1 when we went out, I was a little nervous. I was like, will I be able to do all 12? So it is a great feeling to have done all 12.
You did great.
Congratulations to Skyline Ranch's Wild Stallion Mountain Coaster. It is our 2026 best coaster in the Smokies. So we're gonna recap all of the coasters on our next video and kind of go through a little more details. What was the best themed? What was the best value as far as the price you pay? What was the fastest? So if you're looking for something more specific, you can check out our next video where we go into more details, comparing them all in a more deep dive. But we just wanted to wrap up this one here at the Wild Stallion Mountain Coasters. If you guys have watched all of these videos and followed along, you found them helpful or enjoyable, do us a big favor, simply like the video before you leave. Share your thoughts. Have you been on this coaster? Are you planning to ride it? And if you made it this far, we thank God for you. So check out our full breakdown of all of the coasters up here. And if you made it this far, thanks so much. We appreciate you. We'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.